Hello guys, and welcome to this beautiful DIY today. So today we'll be making use of this carton to make a frame. As you know, I cut out the part where I painted the carton and then I painted it black. So I'll be just to save all the long process. Okay, so I'll be using this I don't know what those things are. I actually got them. I don't know if you watched my last video. I told you I got those other black things from those things I used under the tray I made. Okay, I also got this also from the chair while they were making the chair. So I'm just going to use it with that beads to just go around it, and then we'll see the final result. So I'm just going to take it all around. So guys, if you're new here, thank you, you're welcome. And then if you're my return subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for all the love. And then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. Okay, so let's go. And then I'm also going to put the other one. So I'll be making use of three. Today I don't want to really talk much. Let's just go straight into the video. Let's see it, and then we'll see the final result. Okay, so let's get to it. Yeah, so if you can hear that, that's my baby crying. I really need to go. So let's just get to the video because I really need to post this video today. So let's just get to it, and then we'll see the final outcome. So after I was done with those ones, and then I'll be using this my rope to just take it all down. I would want this to be like a flower, come out in the shape of a flower. Okay, so and then I'll be doing that also for the second one. And then just try to leave let it pass the right place, that place, so that you can just put that at the side of the carton. Yes, so and then I'm putting this also. Yes, so I think this is it. So and then I'll be adding little ones at the side. Do let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Is it what you would try? And thank you if you're still here. I really appreciate it. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's finish it, and then you guys will see the final result.